And this is an island garden room. So we have the bathroom. Looks like a nice big bathtub with a rain spout shower. Got your Disney toiletries here. Lots of storage. Toilet in there. Nice closet space with some extra blankets and pillows. Have your safe for your valuables, iron and ironing board. Keurig coffee. Again, a little bit more storage underneath there. We have 2 queen beds for our room. Some kind of cool Hawaiian artwork. Kind of reminds me of the decor a little bit at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Table with 2 chairs. Here's Mickey playing his ukulele for us. Going out to the balcony. This will be our view. We have chairs and a table out there. There we go.